Hello sir, ito yung ating available ng dalawang unit. Block 3119 na townhouse inner at saka Block 32 lot 27 na townhouse end. Sa inner unit, premium plus na po kasi to as is where is. Nakatayo na siya. 40 square meters ang lot area. Ang floor po niya is same 45 lang din. 3.6 million ang price niya. So discounted po ng 25,000. Discounted TCP is 3,615. 10,000 ang reservation. Sa down payment, wala mo 5% yung ito-down mo. 180,750. Payable siya ng 3 months kasi RFO na po siya. 56,916 monthly. Then yung loan value na 95% na 3.4 million plus. 20 years to pay po through bank financing. 22,000 po ang monthly sa RCBC. Record income 79,968. So ito naman pong isa, yung end unit siya na 65 square meters. Dati po siya model house. 2 units na lang po ito eh. 4.4 million less 25k discount. So 4.416 million. 10,000 reservation then 5% down payment niya 220,800. 3 months to pay yung 220,000, 70,266 monthly. Yung 4.1 million na loan value, 20 years to pay 32,520, 25. Required income, sa 30 years naman is 27,900. Required income 97,687.